So I finally finished installing the Kima Ocean Wave crochet hair, and I absolutely love it. It's full but not too full. Um, it's still pretty tight. I finished the last little bits this morning. I've been doing it for a couple days because I have a toddler, so there's no way that I can do it just in one sitting. So I do a little bit and then I stop and then I go get lunch or dinner ready, put her to bed or whatever I'm doing for the day. You know, mommy life. But I am definitely feeling this hair. But I wasn't sure if I was going to actually cut it or not. I personally I love long, shorter hair. So this hair is really cute long, but I think I'm probably gonna wear it. I don't even know, I might even cut this tomorrow. It's just too much hair for me. I'm not used to so much hair, like so much hair like on my neck and shoulders. You know, let me just cut it, you know, like a bob. Maybe, and cut a couple layers or something in it. Hopefully I don't mess it up. So we'll see. We may be going to Atlanta tomorrow, flying to Atlanta. So I may not have time to cut it and I may have to wear it long like this. As you can see, you see who's in here with me being noisy. So all in all, I love this hair. This is my first time wearing it. I saw it online like months ago and I ordered it months ago, but I never used it because I wasn't looking to get crochet, but I needed a break from my natural hair and it was weighing on me. So I'm like, you know what? Let me try to install this crochet myself. I have a girl here that's really good with the crochet, but to try to schedule an appointment and then I have my little one home. Stop it. Tissue everywhere. No, put this back. No. So all in all, it is a little dull, just a little bit, but that's just how the hair is. It's a synthetic hair, but it's not harsh or anything. Of course you can put a little product on it, but I wouldn't suggest too much if you do, because you know that will weigh on it and it'll just start looking and acting differently. Cut it out. Other than that, it looks pretty good. I think I did a good job. A bit closer so you can see inside. I'm wearing it with a side part, but I made it so that I could wear it in the front, straight down the middle if I decide to, and also on the other side. But I'm a side part girl, so I probably would definitely leave it on the side. I'm gonna cut it into a bob and layer it. So if you're thinking about getting it, I highly recommend it. It's really cute, especially if you like long hair. And this is only a 14-inch, so imagine if you got the longer length, because they do come in longer sizes. I would definitely suggest looking around for different deals. I will leave a link below with where I purchased mine from, but you can probably get it at a better price, because I saw that the prices would like go up and down. They would fluctuate for some reason. I don't know why, but just by a couple dollars or $1 or 50 cents or a few cents or what have you. But I definitely recommend this hair. It's so cute. This is probably going to be my go-to crochet. I ordered 6 packs, but I used 4.5, and I'm surprised because I have a big head, so I'm surprised that I didn't take all 5, at least 5 packs. And I bought the 14-inch because, again, I don't like long hair. So I bought the 14-inch and I plan on cutting it into a bob. Some people buy the longer packs, the longer lengths, and then they cut it in half and install it. I didn't like that look, because when you have a bob, I prefer the like edgier look. And when you cut it, the hair, and then install it, it gives it a different look. It's not cut even or sharp, if that makes sense. It's like pieces, and I don't like the way it looks. So I wanted to buy it at the shortest length. I don't know if this is the shortest length, but I went with a 14-inch. And then I'm gonna cut it into the length that I want and cut a few layers of whatnot in the back and the sides. I was worried that it was gonna be too big and full, but not at all. I made sure that I didn't use too much hair. Oh, and another thing that I probably would suggest, if you are doing it yourself, make sure when you're pulling the hair, when you take it out of the package and you have to pull the hair, the piece that you're going to install apart, make sure you're careful with the hair you're pulling away. Make sure all the hair stays together and intact, and then when you put it on the hook, make sure all the hair is on the hook and closed in. Oh my goodness. Stop it. Because if not, the hair will shed. It will get everywhere. So I did have a little bit of shedding. Not too bad, but it's mainly because of how I installed it. I'm so sorry. My little one is in here cutting the light on and off. Haley, stop it. Go out. Anyway, so if you're considering getting it, definitely I recommend it. If you have any questions, comments, or what have you, please let me know down below, and feel free to like and subscribe, and I guess I will catch you next time. Thanks.